But joining us now first on CNBC is a pure delight, Bed Bath & Beyond CEO Mark Tritton. Mark, thank you for coming back on. Last quarter, you were unhappy with it. Seems like you've course corrected. Tell us about it.
Yeah, thanks, Jim. Good to see you. So big, bold moves that we announced yesterday in terms of, really two prongs. One around creating authority in the home and baby spaces with our partnership with Kroger, and also our launch of our marketplace. And the second prong is really about that sustained shareholder value, showing the confidence we have in our 3-year plan, remembering we're 3 quarters into a 12-quarter turnaround, which is substantial, but we believe we're on track and excited about that.
Well, let's deal directly with what's happening with the stock this morning, because it does matter. You accelerated repurchase, but it looks like it's already accomplished what it's supposed to. I know you wanted to buy more stock, and you've cut the float in half, and it's always been a great buyer of stock, and now it's actually a good company. But what I'm worried about is it right to spend the money up here, or should you wait till it comes in a little, Mark?
We'll be prudent within the year on when and how we purchase. Obviously, this was a big rock and has created some big ripples, and we're not in it for the day by day. We're in it for the long term. So we've got a process to assess and evaluate really prudent spend to maximize shareholder value. So again, shares shooting up to 27.32. That's a moment in time, not part of the overall plan to invest at those levels, of course. And we've got a balanced approach. So we feel good about that.
All right. Well, what did bring you together with the largest grocer, Kroger? How did that partnership come about?
Yeah, look, I think a long time in the making. Great conversations around really a fantastic market leader in grocery and consumer engagement. I mean, their reach, their loyalty, and the quality of that company and how they operate. It's just been a real joy to have dialogue with them. But what does that mean for Bed Bath & Beyond? It's a clear entry point for both our Bed Bath brand as well as, importantly, the buyback Baby brand to reach out to a wider range of customers and really be the dominant brand in the US around the bed and baby categories, so home and baby categories. And we see that being tapped into a much wider customer base, and in some cases, a wider geography base is a real win for us and creates that authority and gives Kroger key brands and key statements and key banners that they can utilize to also create authority with their customer.